Did you know that sea otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart in the water? How cute is that, right? And speaking of sleeping, koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Now that's the life. Now, an explosive fun fact. The pistol shrimp is so loud that the snap of its claw can break a small glass jar and is one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. And you thought your neighborhood was noisy. And to top it off, goats have accents. Yes, their bleating can change depending on the social group they live in. The animal world is truly incredible, don't you think? If you enjoyed these fun facts, don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this one. See you next time.